Have you ever tried Haitian Pikliz? This tastes so delicious, guys. And as us Jamaican, we are neighbors. So it's just a bit spicy, but up our alley. So let's meet this one. So this is just as we made our Jamaican coleslaw with the vinegar and sugar, but we omit the sugar in this one and we use scotch bonnet pepper. We also use onion. So I'll put a list of all the ingredients, and all the ingredients need to be threaded finely. Yes, this knife wasn't doing me justice, so I have to get my big knife to do the job properly. Yes, so we're going to thread these fine. And in recognition, today is Haiti's Flag Day, and I have this video in my gallery. So I'm going to put this up and wish me best of luck with this one. Yes, so we're going to try this. In Haiti, they serve this with refried crushed green plantain and grilled. Grilled is fried pork, guys. Yes, I've tried it here. Very delicious. Yes. So I'm making this one. So do enjoy. Watch to the end and I'll come back at the end of the video. But if it's the first time here, welcome. Please tap the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for future uploads. And to my returning supporters, I appreciate you guys a lot. Thanks for always coming back and checking out my videos. So continue watching and I'll catch you guys at the end of this video. Here you have it, guys. And this Pikliz recipe was proven by a barn Haitian, so I got the approval. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope this this one was helpful, and I hope that you will enjoy. So until next time guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.